Welcome to the True Mind Shifters channel. In this channel, we share true stories from our own lives around fear, shame, and guilt to help you not feel alone and overcome similar challenges. If you like this topic, please like, subscribe, and share with others to amplify the goodness of this channel. Every week's a little bit different. Marina and I won't be able to record together, so this is a brief sharing of something that I've been working on related to a phenomenal online experience called Resiliency 2024. I've been supporting a companion guide that goes with this incredible program that features over 40 different positive thought leaders. And I think of this experience as just an array of goodness coming at you. And it's a 4.5 hour free event. I'll have a link for you to be able to register. But I am sharing a poem this week, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it and seeing how it resonates with people. Some background before I jump into the poem is I grew up in California, and a good part of my youth was spent with my mom and my stepdad in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And there I enjoyed being with the trees. And they would bring early shadows and coolness and magic. Some of them would be hollowed out, and I could go inside of them as a small child and play and imagine. And they carpet, so to speak, the forest floors with their needles when they fall. And they're just so very majestic. Additionally, as an adult, backpacking near Yosemite and in Yosemite, just really learning to appreciate these majestic trees. And I like to look to nature for lessons. And so this is a poem titled The Redwoods Lesson. Thick trunks, thread-like bark, tall and mighty in the forest they hark. A lesson for life, battered by rain, blustered by wind, charred by flames. I still reach for the sun, my canopy high above the land. Close together we stand, each of us grand. Below the surface rests a tangled truth, outstretched in the dark, reaching and seeking the other. Our roots intertwine. I hope you enjoyed that. That's all for now. We send you support, empowerment, and love.